Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3, and today I'll show you how to put the device into download mode. And to get started, you will need a cable, so simply start off by connecting it. There we go. And on your phone, choose boot options, power off. And once the device turns off, you want to hold power key or not power key, but volume up and volume down. So both of them at the same time. And there we go. As you can see, it boots us into the download mode, or more precisely, a step before the download mode, and it gives us some of the most dimmest screen you could ever have, for no apparent reason, just to annoy you, I would say. But once you actually manage to see what's on the screen, you can see that a volume up is a continue button. And volume down will be the, I believe, reboot. Let me just quickly see. So volume down is cancel and restart. So let's just press volume up. There we go. And actually, well, look at that. We actually get a reasonable brightness of the display. So there we go. We are now in the download mode. And yeah, that's how you boot into it. Now, one thing that I will mention, I believe this is with the download mode or fast boot mode, but basically when you're trying to unlock the bootloader on here, I thought I would mention because it's the most pretentious thing that Samsung has done so far. When you unlock your bootloader, you can say goodbye to your cameras. They just stopped working flat out for no reason, just because they can. So thought I would mention that for everybody who was thinking about doing such a thing. But anyway, so once you boot into it, to leave this mode, you would basically hold the power key and a volume down until the device reboots, so we can do that right now. And there we go. Just turned off. Hold the power key once more to turn it back on. There we go. Now also I will unplug the cable. And let's just simply wait for the device to boot back up. And there it is. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.